Welcome back to another video, guys. Got a little treat for you today. Just a little trick that I found out to get your car into diagnostic mode, or some call it police mode. It basically just gets your dash into a digital reading of speed, fuel consumption, how much fuel you got left in the tank, RPM, and a few other things. So the first thing what you have to do is hold down your odometer button for around 10 seconds, or you can actually hear a few things happening in the dash. And then after about 10 seconds, turn the ignition on, and then quickly go 1, 2, 3, and then on the third one, hold it down until the airbag light goes off. Take it off, and the screen will go blank here. It'll start flashing forward in a second. Give it a minute, there we go. And then once that starts flashing, just press your odometer button again. And there you go. So that's how much fuel's left in the tank. I've got like a little table to show what each thing means, but what else we got? That's temperature. Third one is oil pressure, and bottoms. Oh, sorry, that's engine RPM. Then oil pressure up the top, that's voltage. Anyway, there's a lot of things. Go through it. But yeah, that's how you do it. It's a nice little trick. I'd personally like number 3 is probably the best. That gives you engine RPM and a digital vehicle speed. And just to get out of it, you just hold it down for a couple of seconds. Gets it back to normal. There you go. And or you can just turn the car off and then it'll reset again. So if you want it on, you got to reset it every time. But yeah, anyway, it's a neat little trick. Thought I'd share for everyone. Hope you like it. Cheers.